Hey folks, welcome back, and as always I thank you for taking the time out of your day to click on this video. I do appreciate you for watching, and I just want to give you a brief update tonight on what's been going on with this boat build. And what's been going on has just been a lot of hand planing, a lot of hand sanding, and let me show you what I'm talking about. I've been doing a lot of fit and finish work on the transom, on the stringer, on the braces right here for the transom, and on the ribs. And it's just tedious, it's time consuming, and you know, like I said, it's just a lot of fit and finish work, but I want to get this right. I don't want to have any waves, don't want to have any high spots in the skin panels when I get those bonded on. I want those perfectly flat. And to that end, when I went to lay these on the side here, now remember these are the side panels for the hull that I talked about in the last two videos, but when I put them in place, when I put this one in place right here, I started to mark off my cut line. And the way I was going to do that was I was just going to put a mark at each one of these ribs right here on this corner on each one of these ribs, and then I was just going to connect the dots. And on paper that was a nice straight line, but as it turned out, right here at the transom I was about 1/4 inch too high. And I think what happened was when I laid out this angle and cut it, I may not have taken into account this other angle. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is not a perfect 90 degrees. This is actually kicked in. Now remember, we're looking at the bottom of the boat. This is actually kicked in about 5 inches right here. And I think what happened, it was just a matter of geometry. It just changed the geometry a little bit. When I pushed this in, it changed this angle ever so slightly, had the net effect of raising this corner right here because of this angle right here. I thought I took that into account. Apparently I did not. But anyway, that's what I've been doing. Like I said, it's just a lot of fit and finish work, a lot of hand planing, a lot of hand sanding, and yeah, so that's about all there is. So thank you for watching, and I will get back to you in the next video.